Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hussein Ahmed Alvi, and this is midterm 1 and question I am answering question 3. What does this code do? This code actually tells in English language from A to B and capital A to B to small a to B, both are alphabet, and from 0 to 9 both are digit, and other than this in English alphabet both also are special character. So this program does that thing. If I type user give A or B C D anything small or capital letter, then it will print that character is a alphabet, and if I say 0 to 9, then that character is digit, and other than these two, both everything is special character. So first of all we are using character here, and control R 0, A is the alphabet, control 6 is digit, and special character, these are special character. In this program only one character will be inputted from user, and there is an error, actually symmetric error, then here must be an equal to sign, cause equal to sign, as if we don't give, first of all let me show you what happen if we don't give that sign. Control R 0, 0 is a special character, but 0 is a digit, and if we type 9, 9 is a special character, but 9 is also a digit. So we must put equal sign here, so that 0, both 0 and 9 are also included in digit. Now it's corrected. Now in explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting, what are those things? Implicit typecasting is actually changing to, suppose this is an integer, changing its value, using it like an integer. Sorry, suppose it is an character, I am using it like an integer, it is an implicit typecasting. Like in first if case, here actually we are using A and Z, and we all know that in ASCII A's value equals to 97, and Z's value equals to 97 plus 26 equals to, let me check in the calculator, 97 plus 26 equals to 123. So Z value is 123. Here I am saying that character value is greater than or equal to A, or less than or equal to Z ASCII number value. So here it is actually taking the value, that is why it is implicit typecasting, and but both are character. And here is explicit typecasting, because explicit typecasting is like that, here this is actually 0, and but we are using it like a character. Here this is a character, and we are also saying it is a character, but the C program is thinking like that it's a value, it is doing implicitly, but it means we don't have to use say anything else. But here actually we are covering 0 as a number and value, or anything you can say, with apostrophe comma, inverted comma, and saying that this is a number, but we are using it like this is a character, but we are using it like a number. So this is explicit typecasting. And here now we have to make okay, there is also I have to answer this, that in what do we need to include the run scanf. If we want to use the scanf function, then we must use this header file studio.h, and concept of pointers and scanf. Scanf actually says that this character address, and person is saying this its address and taking the value from that address and giving it back after work is done. But in pointer it doesn't return its value. So this is our difference between pointer and add% scanf function. Now let's change it to top down design with using switch statement. So first of all, these things we need this part, we will need this part, so we don't have to cut it. Now let's start. First of all, user will give a let's put it to another place for future use. Let's first of all say user will give a character, give character, give characters, give character, and give character, and we want print character, characters, characteristics, print character type, print character type. So that is our main purpose here. First of all, let's do give character. User will give character, user will give character, character. So this is a character type. First of all, we use an int function. Int give character, get character will be much preferable. Get character from user, control V. What will user will give? User will give a character ch, then print that character, print that thing user want to give. Now print give character, give a character, that character. To say that's the character, we use %c. We use scanf function, scanf %c, %c, scanf %c and ch, and then you will say this function will return, ch. So then we have to use switch statement. So we need case. For that we must use this thing also, and also we have to use print character type, control C. Now let's type control, it's a void type function, then switch, here will be a control, here will be a case. Let's start, we will use 0, if 0 break, case 1 break, case 2 break. Now If case 1, then print it's an alphabet. If case 2, print it's a digit. If case 3, print it's a character. Now, but we haven't said what is this. We haven't said this what does 0 mean, what does 1 mean, what does 1 do, and what does 2 do. So for that reason we have another int function, int function making switch case, for switch case, for switch expression, for switch s w I switch expression, for switch expression we will use this thing. If the user value given character is small a to capital Z or capital A to capital Z, then it will return 0. Else if the character is 0 to 9, then it will return 1. Else it will return 2. That means this function has become a void int function, integer type function, because in every cases, in every else if condition, in every condition the function returns a value. And we have used a character ch, so ch char ch variable here, we are using that, and after doing that we will use this to control Z, control C, control V, and we have forgotten to give the function prototype. Now we will give the function prototype. C, control V, void p type case. This is a void type, control C, control V, and we also to use this as also like function prototype here, and make this beneath this and cut this part. And here actually happening sorry, here actual thing is happening, printing the type, characters type, printing character type, and here making switch case, making switch switch case, and here giving character, making switch case. Now we have to use void type ch. Now make this copy and paste it here, and also here, then cut the char part. Now try to run it. Oh, I forgot to use ampersand here, and char ch equals this. We have taken another same variable ch here, r, give a variable name 0. 0 is a digit, control R. If you say 2 is a digit also. If you say capital A, capital is the alphabet. If you say any special character, this is a special character. So this is actually our code and we have cleanly done it. Thank you for time, and this is our code. Make it more cleaner. Okay. Still done. Another. So this is our code. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.